Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2001 for 2 marks. Basically, this question is based on radiation topic. Again, in radiation, we have to find view factor. So let us understand the question. The question is, for a circular tube of equal length and diameter. Here, circular tube is given as it is tube. From inside, it is a hollow, right? And length is equal to diameter. Then the view factor F1 to 3. Here surface 1 is given here. Area 1 is nothing but surface 1. And area 3. There is circle here another circular area is area 3. Now F1 to 3 is given 0.17. Right. Very important value is given. Right. Then the view factor F1 to 2 in this case will be. Now let us understand, my dear students. Here finding F1 to 2 is very simple. But as there are 3 areas in contact, there will be a 9 safe factor. And we will find in this lecture all the 9 safe factors. Finding F1 to 2 is most simple task here. But we will see how to find all the possible safe factors. That is 9 safe factors. Right. Now here F1 to 3 is given. Now here surface 1 is a flat surface, circular flat surface. Right. Let us say the blue color is surface 1. Here the blue color is surface 1. Now the surface 2 is surface area of this cylinder, right? This surface, side walls. So with red color, I will show you surface 3. This is surface 3 with red color, right? Surface area of the cylinder. Now again there is a surface 3 also. Again this surface 3 is nothing but here with, let us say, this red color is surface 2. Sorry, here it is given area 2 means it is a surface 2. And with this black color, let us say this black color, that is circular area is surface 3, right? Now area 3 is given. Can I say area 1 is equal to area 3? Here area 1 is equal to area 3, which is nothing but pi r square or pi by 4 d square, right? And area 2 is nothing but pi dl. Area 2 will be pi dl, where d is equal to l. Therefore, it is pi d square. And it is pi by 4, pi d square by 4. Area 1 is equal to area 3 is equal to pi d square by 4. And area 2 is pi d square, right? Now, my dear students, here for surface 1 is a flat surface. Therefore, for surface 1, the safe factor of surface 1 with respect to itself will be equal to 0. F11 will be equal to 0. Now, for surface 1, we have one addition rule. That is, safe factor of all safe factors, the summation of all safe factors is always equal to 1. Therefore, F11 plus F1 to 2 plus F1 to 3 is equal to 1. 1 is 0. Therefore, F1 to 2 plus F1 to 3 is already given in the question, that is 0.17. Therefore, 0.17 is equal to 1. Therefore, F1 to 2, which is a question here, is equal to 1 minus 0.17, which is equal to 0.83. My dear students, this is a question here. Now here you have solved this question. That is option D will be the correct choice here, right? But here let us find all the safe factors. Now how many we have calculated? F11, F12 and F13. So here I am going to write 3 safe factors. That is F11 is equal to 0, F12 is equal to 0.83 and F123 is already given, which is nothing but 0.17, right? Let us find for surface 3. Let us find for surface 3. Now, my dear students, for this surface 3, can I say it is again flat surface? Therefore, can I say here F33 will be equal to 0, right? Now, let us use reciprocal theorem between 1 and 3. Therefore, if I use reciprocal theorem, A1 F1 to 3 is equal to A3 F3 to 1. Now, here both are circular areas. The both areas A1 is equal to A3. Already we have seen, right? Therefore, A1, A3 will get cancelled. Therefore, here F1 to 3 is equal to F3 to 1, which is nothing but 0.17, right? Therefore, again, my dear students, for surface 3, use addition law. That is F3 to 1 plus F3 to 2 plus F3 to 3 is equal to 1. Here F3 to 3 is 0 and F3 to 1 we have calculated. Therefore, here F3 3 to 2 is equal to 1 minus EF 3 to 1, which is nothing but 0.17, therefore is equal to 0.83. Therefore again for surface 3 we have calculated all the shape factor, that is EF 3 to 1 is equal to 0.17, EF 3 to 2 is equal to 0.83, and EF 3 to 3 is equal to 0. These are the three shape factors of surface 3. Now let us find all the shape factors of surface 2. Now my dear students, for surface 2, use the reciprocal theorem. Now A1 F1 to 2 is equal to A2 F2 to 1. Now A1 is here pi d square by 4. F1 to 2 is nothing but 0.83 is equal to A2 is pi d square, because it is pi dl and d is equal to L, already we have seen, right, into F2 to 1. So from this pi d square will get cancelled, and F2 to 1 will be equal to 0.83 divided by 4, which is equal to 0.2075, right. Similarly, let us use reciprocal theorem between 1 and 3. Therefore here A3 F3 to 2 is equal to A2 F here 2 to 3, right. Now let us put the values. Again if I put the values, the F2 to 3 exactly I will get equal to 0.2075, because here for 2 surface 1 and surface 3 are identical, right. For 2 surface 3 and surface 1 are identical, therefore the shape factor of here shape factor of 2 with respect to 1 must be equal to shape factor of 2 with respect to 3, that is F2 to 1 must be equal to F2 to 3, and let us put the values here. A3 is equal to A1, right, and F3 to 2 is equal to F1 to 2. We know that, right. You will get same value. Now my dear students, again let us use the addition law. Let us use here addition law for the all shape factors of surface 2. Therefore we can say the addition law is F2 to 1 plus F2 to 2 plus F2 to 3 is equal to 1. Therefore F2 to 1 is 0.2075 plus F2 to 2 need to be calculated plus F2 to 3 is again same value 0.2075 is equal to 1. Now therefore from this you will get F2 to 2, which is equal to value of 0.585, right. So this is how we have calculated all the shape factor, right. Here F2 to 1 is equal to F2 to 3, which is nothing but 0.2075. Now here you will find 9 shape factor. These are the with surface 1, these are with surface 3, and these are with surface 2. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.